During any survival scenario, you'll want more than just hope in your pack. Real preppers know it's the tools on your belt and the gear in your bag that keep you breathing. From fire starters to rugged radios, every piece ought to earn its weight when things go sideways. So, in this video, we're gonna check out 15 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. The updated price and purchase links are provided in the description for your convenience. Enjoy! Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival tenfold. That is where the Grail Ultra Press comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch. But it's not just about looks. The OnePress Global Filtration System is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink. Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord D-ring loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals. It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. Reliable power isn't always guaranteed in emergencies. Without power, most of your devices will fail in a few hours, and you will be cut off from communication. Then utilizing the power of the sun will be the way forward. The Quadra Pro Solar Power Bank does exactly that. It gives you a dependable source of energy, no matter where you are. This power bank charges for free using 4 high-powered 5.5-watt solar panels, giving you sustainable energy straight from the sun. With an 8,000 milliamp-hour battery capacity, it's powerful enough to charge up to 3 devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for those dark off-grid nights. Whether you're off the grid or in a blackout, the Quadra Pro Solar Power Bank ensures you're never without power. Staying warm and dry is crucial in dire situations because hypothermia can set in quickly, especially in harsh conditions. That's why having the Prepared 4X Mylar emergency poncho in your survival kit is so important. It's designed to keep you alive when the elements are against you. This poncho is made from NASA-engineered Mylar, which is 2 times thicker than standard blankets, making it incredibly durable and tear-resistant. It's also built to retain 90% of your body heat, even in the most extreme conditions. The poncho design gives you the mobility you need, while the hooded feature protects your head from critical heat loss, further preventing hypothermia. Moreover, it's waterproof and wind-resistant, so you're covered no matter the weather. The poncho's one feature that stands out is its ability to be turned inside out, showing the reflective side. This increases visibility during search and rescue operations, potentially saving your life. Prepared 4x4 Emergency Mylar Poncho is tough, versatile, and built to keep you alive when it matters most. Fire is among the most important elements in terms of survival. Whether you need to stay warm, cook food, or signal for help, the ability to start a fire is crucial. The Firelight makes that process easy and reliable, even in the worst conditions. With the touch of a button, you can ignite a fire, thanks to its waterproof and windproof design. The built-in 100-lumen LED light is perfect for finding your way in the dark, and the 3-foot tinder cord lanyard provides an emergency fire starter. Rechargeable and fuel-free, this ultralight lighter charges in just 2 hours via USB and can light over 100 fires. At less than 2 ounces, it's even compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Staying warm and protected from the elements is crucial in any emergency. In adverse situations, you have a higher chance of dying from exposure to elements than dehydration or hunger. That is where the Tact Bivvie 2 steps in. It uses the heat echo material and will help to reflect 90% of your body heat, keeping you alive in freezing conditions. The sleeping bag comes in a lightweight, reusable bivvy pack that can turn into an oversized stuff sack with a para-tinder drawstring, giving you both secure storage and an emergency fire tinder. Lastly, the 120 decibel whistle helps signal for rescue, and the carabiner makes it easy to clip onto your gear. The prepared 4X survival torch is a must-have for any survivalist. Featuring a premium quality ferrocerium rod, this tool ensures you can create a shower of sparks with a single strike, making fire starting quick and efficient. The 36-inch wax-infused hemp fire starter rope provides a reliable and long-lasting ignition source. With its curved steel striker, you can direct sparks precisely where you need them, ensuring a strong and immediate flame. Housed in premium aluminum, the survival torch is built to withstand tough conditions. It's water-resistant, making it safe and effective in all weather conditions. Whether you're in the wilderness or facing an emergency, the prepared 4X survival torch is a reliable companion that significantly enhances your ability to stay safe and warm. The 5th Ops CampSafe is an essential safety device for any camping or survival situation, designed to keep your campsite secure. This versatile 2-in-1 gadget functions both as a flare launcher and a trip alarm device, providing dual layers of protection. Imagine being deep in the wilderness, where the CampSafe can alert you to the presence of intruders or wildlife by setting off a loud alarm when the tripwire is triggered. This early warning system allows you to react quickly, ensuring your safety and giving you peace of mind. Additionally, the flare launcher capability is invaluable in emergencies. Whether you need to signal for help or deter potential threats, the CampSafe can launch flares effectively. It's compatible with .22 adapters and 209 primer adapters, making it highly adaptable to your needs. The new screw-on retainer design ensures secure attachment of blanks, flares, or adapters, enhancing its reliability in critical moments. With digital adapter compatibility coming soon, the 5th Ops CampSafe promises even greater functionality. This device is a must-have for anyone serious about camp safety and survival, providing practical solutions for real-life scenarios. The Lotu Annihilate FA3 is a versatile survival shovel kit designed for various survival scenarios. It features a patented 7-key angles lock for one-handed quick adjustments, making it ideal for emergency rescues, camping, off-roading, and hiking. The durable shovel head is made from martensitic steel, can bear up to 1984 pounds, and withstands extreme conditions, including saltwater and sub-zero temperatures. This all-in-one multi-tool includes a shovel and axe blade, bottle opener, survival whistle, camera support, fire starter, wire saw, and rope. The handle, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, is sturdy and adjustable, ensuring a secure grip. The foldable design, with a length of 24.2 to 35.4 inches, makes it portable and easy to pack in its carrying pouch. The Lotu Annihilate FA3 is a reliable tool for ensuring safety and preparedness outdoors. The Spya Strike Gator is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast venturing into snake-prone areas. Designed and tested to protect against common snake strikes, these gators are made from heavy-duty PU bonded canvas, covering your entire lower leg and securing your boots. They are fully adjustable with a 4-way closure system and included wires, ensuring a snug fit. In real-life scenarios, whether hiking through dense underbrush or exploring rocky terrains, the Strike Gator provides essential protection and peace of mind. The debris-resistant, silent fabric allows for stealthy movement, while the water-resistant material and Duraflex buckle enhance durability. Available in 3 sizes, these gaiters also feature shoelace hooks with double rivets for extra security. Equip yourself with the Spya Strike Gator and confidently tackle any adventure, knowing you're protected. The Nebo Lux stream is a vital tool for survival scenarios where long-distance visibility is crucial. This USB-C rechargeable flashlight boasts advanced optics, projecting 500 lumens over half a mile, reaching up to 900 meters or 2,952 feet, with an impressive brightness. In situations such as search and rescue, navigating unfamiliar terrain, or signaling for help, the Lux stream's powerful beam ensures you can see and be seen from afar. Its anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body in storm gray provides durability, while the 4,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance. The Nebo Lux stream is not just a flashlight, it's a lifeline in critical survival situations. Thought of uncertainties shouldn't be a barrier when handling survival situations is the most challenging priority in outdoor explorations. There's no room for mistakes. Making a wise choice can make all the difference. That's where the MSK-1 Mini Edge, built by Ultimate Survival Tips, truly shines. You might wonder why choose this tiny knife? Well, the MSK-1 Mini Edge may be small, but it's a powerful tool of versatility. As an everyday carry essential, it's designed to handle any situation with ease, offering robust backup options for multiple purposes. Crafted from Swedish Sandvik 14C28N steel, this blade is not just tough, but also incredibly sharp and corrosion-resistant. Its 6.2-inch length and lightweight build make it perfect for daily carry, while its 2.7-inch edge cuts through tasks effortlessly. The handle, which can be easily removed, reveals a hidden compartment for a fire kit or other survival essentials. On the other hand, the extended pommel doubles as a fire steel striker, so you can ignite a blaze in no time. Whether you want to wrap it with paracord for a custom grip or transform it into a spear for wilderness survival, the Mini Edge adapts to your necessities. It comes with versatile sheath options. Choose leather for a classic look or Kydex for modern functionality. The sheath allows for multiple carry positions, ensuring your knife is always within reach. With its rugged build and innovative features, the MSK-1 Mini Edge is a fine-tuned companion for any survival situation. A fire starter is a must-have for any outdoorsman, and survival preppers know just how crucial it can be. With this in mind, we found the Wolf and Grizzly fire set. This handy tool ensures you can reliably ignite a fire in any condition, providing warmth, cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. Crafted from ferrocerium, this little stick is the best one when it comes to lighting fires. Weighing just 2.23 ounces, it's easy to carry, but packs a punch with big sparks every strike.
It's designed to last a whopping 20,000 strikes,
making it far more durable than any typical matches or lighter. Plus, it generates sparks at a blazing 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you can start a fire on the first strike every time. The striker is made of high-quality knife steel, so you can sharpen it like any other blade. And for those emergency situations, the included paracord has jute tinder inside. Just cut it open and it's ready to go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just prepping for the unexpected, the Wolf and Grizzly fire set is the most reliable fire starting tool. When venturing into the backwoods, having a reliable shelter is crucial. And the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is designed with survivalists in mind. Crafted from 75D ripstop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams and 1,500mm waterproof rating. Weighing only 1,450 grams, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with the canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, Y/K zippers, and a double-layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guy lines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist. The Camilis Carnivore X can be one of the most reliable tools for any prepared survivalist when heading into the wild. This 18-inch titanium-bonded machete is a rugged tool designed to clear all obstacles. This multi-purpose machete is designed for cutting, digging, sawing, chiseling, and gutting, making it versatile for all your outdoor necessities. The 12-inch blade, made from 4 stainless steel and titanium bonded, is up to 3 times harder than untreated steel, ensuring it stays sharper longer. This machete excels at everything from building shelters to chopping firewood, and even carving feather sticks. This sharp tool includes a ballistic nylon sheath and a removable trimming knife with its own sheath for added versatility. With a partial serration, gut hook, and a durable ABS handle, the Carnivore X is built to handle hunting, camping, hiking, and exploring with ease. Whether you're chopping wood or preparing food, this machete's robust design and practical features make it an essential tool for adventures. Exploring a dark forest or venturing out at night requires a reliable and powerful light source to navigate with confidence. That's where the Nightcore MH40S shines, making it a top choice for survivalists. This robust flashlight, crafted from durable aluminum, delivers an impressive 1,500 lumens and can illuminate distances up to 1,500 meters. Its long runtime and multiple brightness modes, including strobe, beacon, and SOS, ensure you're prepared for any situation. With USB-C recharging, a remote pressure switch, and a heavy-duty nylon holster, the Nightcore MH40S is designed for those who need dependable lighting in the wild. So that was our video on the 15 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.